Hey everyone, welcome back again. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a buzz cut step by step. Before we start it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also, I have some videos you can watch here. Let's get started. So I start the top with number 3 on the top, and the lever is completely closed. And just make sure you cut the top very well from any angle. You just make sure you don't leave any long hair, and all the top hair, middle top is all assembling with guard number 3. So the next step, I'm gonna start with the trimmer on the side, the bottom, and all the way side and back. As you can see, I'm gonna do a high skin fade. Guys, if you are watching this video until now, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment. Also, I give you my Instagram ID here. You can contact me on the Instagram also and TikTok also. So here is the other side. Still cutting out with the trimmer on the left side. Just make sure all the way in the bottom side you make it with the trimmer short. And here is the next step. So using the guard number 1.5, which is 4.5 millimeter, and all the way up. Don't go too much high, and you're not gonna go to the middle part on the top. You should be careful. And here is the other side. So, and the next step, I'm gonna use the guard number 1, and the lever is, you can see, 3, 4 open, and just come down a little bit lower than the guard 1.5, the previous guard that we used it. So you can see, not going to the guard 1.5 that already we cut off with that number, with that guard. And here is the other side. The lever is 3, 4 open, and the next step is using guard 0.5 or half. So I'm gonna come down a little bit lower than the previous guard, which is guard number 1. So the first guard we used, it was 1.5, and then 1, now is 0.5, and the lever is still 3, 4 open. You can see, you can look at the lever. You just make sure you don't go so much high. You don't go into guard number 1 or 1.5. You don't have to go to that area. And here is the other side. So now I'm gonna use the same guard, but the lever you need to close it, and working on the 0 line on the bottom. If you focus on the line, you can see the line is fading, not fully, but is like 80%. The line is getting fade. Also, you can see that line. See, the left side is dark, and I'm going from right to left, and I'm using the corner of machine, not full blade. You just look at how I use the machine. You can see I'm using the point of blade of clipper. And now I don't use any guard on the clipper. I'm gonna fade that line. You can see the lever is 3, 4 open without any guards on the clipper machine, and just using the corner of the point of blade. slowly to show you which part of the blade, I mean the clipper, you need to use. And here is the other side. You can see that spot, it is dark and it's getting fade. And now I'm gonna close the lever and working on the same line, which is the trimmer line. So same, just using the corner of machine. You can see we're not having any line. The last line is getting fade. If you focus on the blade, I'm just using the right corner of machine. And later I'm gonna use the scissors too. But stay tuned and continue to watch the video step by step. So you can see the dark spot. I'm gonna use the guard number 2 for that spot, and the lever is completely closed. Just don't make sure you don't go inside. You can see I'm working in that spot. Is a bit looks dark, and here is again I am using the guard number 1.5 again, the guard 4.5 millimeter, because I'm coming down a bit. And here is the back. You can see it looks dark, and again I'm using the guard number 2 and again number 1.5. Guys, if you're watching this video until now, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you have any question, just let me know. And here is my Instagram and TikTok. You can contact me there. You can see my other videos and picture that I post every other day or every other week. So now you can see I'm using the shaver for all the side and back. Just make sure you shave it very well. Okay guys, we are almost done on the bottom and using shaver. So now I'm gonna line up the forehead and the side. Alright guys, I'm almost done. If you enjoyed the video, if this video helped you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Also, I put my Instagram ID and the TikTok. You can contact me there, and for more contact you can follow me there. Thank you so much, and here is the result. The buzz cut, skin fade, high skin fade. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.